Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa Diski, oh oh oh.
What's up, football lovers? I'm your host, Biri. Welcome back to Siringa Diski. Please comment below and let us know your prediction for the new PSL season. This is Siringa Diski. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Please, Bafete Sankela, do that, because when we check on our watch time from our subscribers for the last 28 days, Bafete, people who are checking our show who not subscribed, we have 92.6% of Abantu Abapegi show, they don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And we have Abantu Aba subscribe checking the show, it's 7.4. Please Bafetu, let's just make sure that at least at the end of this year, Bafetu shang 100% ya wonke umuntu subscribe Bafetu. It's free to subscribe, it doesn't cost you money. You just click that subscribe button, Bafetu. We are reviewing how Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns performed during their pre-season camps. Who impressed? Which new signings stood out? Let's get straight to it. Kaizer Chiefs traveled to Spain under a new coach, Fernando da Cruz, and showed encouraging signing and despite not winning every game. Orlando Pirates had productive pre-season in Spain. Coach Abdislal Ovado rotated the squad and gave opportunities to several young players. Mamelodi Sundowns continued to show why they are remaining one of the African's strongest teams. Their positioning, football and squad depth were once again impressive during their pre-season in preparation. Kaizer Chiefs on their first game, they drew 1-1, and on the second game, they did again drew 1-1. On the third game, they lost 2-1. Then their last game, when they were playing in Scotland FC, they won 1-0. The goal was scored by Mfundo Vilakazi. Danke my Chiefs, batikhosi alipheli umoya. Chiefs looked more organized going forward. Their pressing was better, but still they need to improve definitely before the season starts. Orlando Pirates won 2-1 on their first game. Then on the second game, they lost 2-3. Then on the third game, they won 1-0. Then on the last game playing Neom SC, they lost 0-1. Pirates looked dangerous on their counter-attack and created plenty of chances. If they become more clinical in front of the goal, they could challenge for every trophy in this season. Mamelodi Sundowns, on their first game, they drew 1-1. Then on their second game, they lost 2-0. But again, on their third game, they drew 1-1. On their last game, they won 3-1. Sundowns still look like the team to beat. Their pressing, movement and experience make them favorites for another strong season. Kaizer Chiefs best performance players on the Spain season is Echeso Igodaro, Ntodozi Shabalala, Ngosimpile Ngobo, Pule Modi. In Orlando Pirates preseason in Spain, top performance players is Patrick Maswangai, Etito, then Tshepang Moremi, bese Hobale, Talet Mbata, and Siabonga Dlala. Resa lebal bafethu. Last but not least, two players, Dancing and Radio Pani. Danki Mapagapag. In Mamelodi Sundowns preseason preparation in Spain, top performance players are Lucas Roberto Costa, Tebogo Mokoena, Jalen Adams, RIP Sir, Iram Reines, and Atta Sales. Ekseba fethu a re thinteng coach da soko kasi da so Soweto mo strateng poqong re bona re no yena a re dintshang va di tournament wa tseba re thinteng coach Goldman awe.
Yeah, sure Mr. Komeni. Angixoxele kancane ngama-tournament waseGasi ukuthi besikhiphane lawo wathendile. Ukuthi besikhiphane bokudlala bobani, if nawe bowudlala then yiphi team ewinile.
Greet to all the viewers, the listeners, and the followers. Let's keep pushing and supporting a podcast. It's Ringa Ngetiski. Yeah, I think pendule fast bro ngaloku ngiyalena ngivele ngikubekele nje ngama-tournament njengoba bokungihlabahlabile ukuthi imaphi ama-tournament ebewakhona njengoba bokuvalwa igela kanje yabo. Well, bokunama-tournament wama-senior but now sikhuluma kakhulu ngama-tournament wama-juniors ngoba vele igela mazivaliwe kwenze kuphushwa ama-program, ama-school holidays program yabo. And then Ishaba yiyo one of the tournaments epusha lawo ma-program lawo. Why? Ngoba kuba khona ama-teams aphuma abroad from boma Cape Town, boma Eastern Cape, boma Mpumalanga, we understand most kuma-province or KZN yabo. Now it's a very same thing. So it's the reason why I think khulume ngala ma-tournament lawo wama-juniors because now yiyo pushwa ama-program kuwo kakhulu yabo wama-school holidays. Njengoba igela bezigcwele vele nje kanje and then kuama-teams nama-teams akhempile la uyabaphuma from abroad and then okuyinto e-great blind ubona itrati zigcwele mawuthi uyavuka ekuseni ubona itrati zigcwele ngumfana odlala ibhola amabheki abanye bayaliya abanye kuyaphithizela uyabo kuphushekile bro man kuphusheke kabuhlungu kabi man yeah ngoba mangithi ngiyabheka i-riding yona Tsatsa yona iqala ngama juniors like 11, 13, 15, 17 bese kuba yi-23 benama categories ayi-4 and then Ishaba bena 3 ama categories but kukhonekile ukuthi kuphusheke yabo ngoba itsatsa ama-game beyiwaspreada ngoba benama category amaningi yabo bewaspreada ama-game to 3 fields so bokuphusheka and then ama-games wakhona most bewa towards igela la kempe khona lama team aphuma from fair yabo like sifika emlapho bokunama-player bewakhempe lapho and then senamarela vie bokunama-player bewakhempile la kule gelezi la nale nzansi nasehostel emapetla nakhona vie bokunama-games lawo bewadlala vele kuphushekile blind bro kuphushekile. Well kuyidayile ngama-23 ama-23 yiyo engibone usho ukuthi anamandla kakhulu ngoba bokunama-team a-strong abo-River Park bebakhona abo-Nyusa bebakhona boShawela United abo-PSU Protea South United teams from White City abo-Diding and then ama-team from boma Brownfisher 18 Kubo, we understand, and nathi besikhona la Blue Sky. Well, we put it out thina-ke i-18 Kubo ngama-shootout yabo shawe i-18 Kubo ngama-shootout but kuphushekile kuphushekile. It was not an easy game ukuthi sifike kuma-shootout. I think it was one of the toughest game elilaphela nge-1-1 yeah kuphushekile so far i-tournament iphela ngazi i-19 ke le yama-juniors ithathwa i-Rise and Shine team yala emndeni nalithi ngasho kanjalo njengoba most ama-player bewadlala lapha ama-player phuma bomamndeni nalithi ngasho kanjalo ya so yeah hayi injalo lento lena bro wami yabo injalo lento on the other side thina-ke besiphusha nama-programs lana-ke ngoba besinesikhathi esi-enough ukuthi singakhona ukuthi sipolishe ezinye izinto amanye ama-aspect like ama-technical aspect uyangithola ama-technical coordination into ezihlala nje kuyi-concern kakhulu yabo teach ama-players ama-fundamentals teach ama-players ama-basics uyangithola i-understanding of i-football which is inside izinto besiziteacher nje kakhulu njengoba kuvalwa iy'kole yabo so isincede kakhulu nayo le program le sesayibamba njengoba kuvalwa iy'kole phusheke kakhulu kabi ngoba iy'ntwana zi-improve a lot in such a way sikhona even ukuthi sikhona ukurecruiter yazi into important ukurecruiter ukuba ne-number yama-player you understand so to create i-depth for i-future because i-concern yethu ukuthi sibe busy kakhulu ngaboma-under 8 under 9 intwana ezincane ezinoma 8 years 9 years why because i-reference structure most of the time yizo lezo intwana lezi ezincane if ever i-team yes intwana idlala udoti uhlala wazi ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi akuna-next or i-team yabantu abahroti nje mayidlala udoti uhlala wazi ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi naseyintwaneni same thing so intwana mazidlala good and then i-team ehroti idlala good nayo it's the very same thing eyenzakalayo yeah so i-concern yethu that's why besibheke nje leyo nto leyo kakhulu njengoba kuvala igele ukuthi at least ama-player akhona uku-improve ey'ntweni ezifana nalezo yabona but so far-ke man ngi-happy bro wami nge-improvement ngi-happy blind I can see a future.
Thank you coach ngiyabonga yeah man next time man invite because usually thina abafethu push it ekasi so definitely it will be nice to be there to even show people ukuthi grand manitha ama-teachings nikhuluma ngama-teachings anjani so yeah till we meet again coach thank you have a nice day away.
Baipegi from Soweto Blankets Baipegi ngiyazi abanye bathi ingubo njengawe uthi ingubo babangi barike kubo Baipegi from Soweto Blankets Baipegi sinje masithanda sithi support udadi sikulethela ama-import wengubo Baipegi ulale kamnandi. Sithi support udadi
from Soweto Blankets ulale kamnandi
sikulethela ama-import wengubo Baipegi ulale kamnandi from Soweto Blankets.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya amasuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile idiski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya ibungi likijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Siringange Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Siringange Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go. Go, I caramba no. Siringange Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a scoreline. Did you see that